Congratulations on your choice of a unique Universal Rock water feature. When installing, simply place in desired position. To ensure a tight fit on your pool, mark shape of coping edge onto your rocks and cut gradually with a sharp knife. Remember to always cut away from yourself. This may take time to perfect, however, this will result in a professional finish. Place back into position and scribe with a pencil or chalk the outer edges onto the coping. Using suitable sized blocks of wood, lift rock and position blocks under and against internal rock edges. After determining block position, remove rock and outline in preparation for fastening. To attach blocks to coping, pre-drill holes into timber and pool coping for insertion of bolts. 2 to 4 blocks of wood may be needed per item to ensure a structural installation. Place rocks back over the blocks of wood and mark on pool edge to help guide where to drill screws into place. Due to salt and chlorine, stainless steel screws and bolts are recommended to prevent rusting. This will also allow you to remove them if required. We suggest that you camouflage screw heads with a silicone adhesive. Then simply throw onto silicone coloured sands. This can be achieved by crushing similar coloured authentic rock. In this installation process, we had pre-connected an 1.5" flexible pool hose to the waterfall outlet. We also dug the hose into the ground all the way back to your existing pool pump. A 3-way valve can simply be added to most existing pool pumps. This will enable you to run your water feature when you run your swimming pool without needing to buy another pump. Very important notes to consider. You must pre-run your water feature using your pool pump before securing into place, because you may need to do some further trimming off the bottom edges to achieve a leveled water flow. Using a small amount of water will not give you an accurate gauge. We also recommend using a real rock or one of our small pump cover rocks to help disperse the water evenly. Simply place this over the water outlet on your waterfall. Universal Rocks has proven to be durable since 1997 when correct chlorine and chemical levels are maintained on pools. When and if higher levels are needed, simply lower water level below rock overhang and do not run waterfall until levels have returned to normal. We highly recommend that you do not climb or jump off Universal Rocks into your pool due to safety concerns as well. We entrust that you will have many relaxing moments with your Universal Rock water feature. And remember, why go anywhere else when you can escape to your own backyard?